If you're paying for a security software, please watch this whole video. Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this short video, I will tell you 3 top security settings in the Windows itself, and you do not require any kind of antivirus program in your computer. Yes, so let's go ahead and do that. Here at the right hand side, you will find a up arrow key. You just have to click on it and look for this shield icon. Once you open the shield icon, you just have to look into 2 things and make sure you watch it very carefully. The 2 things are, you need to click on this virus and threat protection, and here make sure the virus and threat protection updates. The last update in my computer was on 20th of Feb. So it's absolutely fine. It should have a green check mark in it. And also look for the protection history and out threats. Here I do not have any threat in my computer. So it has actually, removed all the threats from my computer and detected it. If you want to see it, let me go to the protection history and see all these applications and trojans or maybe bugs have been actually blocked by this Windows security. We used to call it Windows Defender earlier in Windows 7. So now in Windows 10 it has came back with more powerful security things. So once we check here, we need to look for the second option, which is firewall and network protection. Make sure you should have all the check mark and it should be turned on, and that's it. This is the only thing you need to look for this, and you do not have to pay for any security software. At least for the last 2 years, I've been using my computer without any error. Without any hassle. There is no performance issues in my computer, and I surf a lot of websites. So if you think that this video is helpful, please smash that subscribe button and like button. I need your support. Take care, guys. Bye bye.